It is now official. Orlando Pirates have qualified for knockout stages after they beat CR Belouizdad ngo 2-1. After two beautiful goals from uTalente Mbatha benomfuking. Yabo, kumele simshayele ihlombe uTalente Mbatha indlela awa execute ngakhona ama goals akhe. Yabo, most of ama goals akora uTalente Mbatha uwascora outside of the box. And the way indlela kahle ngakhona bafethu, wenza sure umjithu ukuthi likhaleni ethini. Yabo, even though it wasn't a good match on my side. Yabo, on my side it wasn't a good match, but abajita bakwazile ukusurvive bakwazi ukuthi bawin. I don't know why la uGoogle uthi igame iphele ngo 2-0, but the game ended as 2-1 CR Belouizdad ikwazile ukuscora isiediwe isizophela imatch. So going to this game, Orlando Pirates for me indlela esiqale ngakhona sikhombisile ngempela ukuthi siyafuna ukuyiwina le match le. Yabo, because uma subheke iposition bekhombisa ngempela bekunikeza iclue ukuthi kahlahle Orlando Pirates iyayifuna ngempela iwin kule match le. Igoli lokuqala likore Orlando Pirates ngosikhathi kukora umfuking. That tells you ukuthi kahlahle vele bebefuna ukuscora labajita. Indlela adlala ngakhona uMabasa differs from uMakgopa. Hlezi ngikhuluma le ndaba le. uMakgopa akacucuzi uMabasa njalo akacucuzi kakhulu. Me in front of goal akaloke efuna ukuphasa, yabo. Kanti lento esisuke yenza uMakgopa vele afuna ukuphasa maseqondene no goalkeeper. Kanti umbonile namhlanje uMabasa uvela washootha goalkeeper walichitha ibhola. Walichitha ibhola wasaqhamuka umfuking wazoshaya ithepini. Yabo, mu striker kumele wenze sure ukuthi umuqondene no goalkeeper noma uface a opponent, make sure that you shoot instead of passing ibhola. Shoot. Bakhona abadlali abazokucoverisha beshaya amathepini or something. Bathi abafana abadlale kamnandi namhlanje ngiqale emuva combination yasibisi benosesane iyaqhubeka lo combination isasebenzela. uBhodlela namhlanje was good benosesane. Yabo, bebemanga impela. Ngiyeka right back uVan Rooyen namhlanje. Van Rooyen was my man of the match. The guy was top namhlanje. Ngathi bangam announce again indlela edlala ngakhona uyakhombisa impela umjito ukuthi uyayisimenta le position kube yakhe. Top Sokozile namhlanje benza sure ukuthi labadlali laba bebedlala kule position ade ikuyona namhlanje bebafaka ejele. Ube nejeli lakhe nje ade nalo namhlanje uTop Sokozile namhlanje. Left back position uDion Hotto. I didn't see much of uDion Hotto, but ngimbonile uDion Hotto ngosikhathi sekushintshwe sekufaka uMarco. Yabona ngosikhathi sekufaka uMarco bese ngiqala ngimbona uDion Hotto edlala kahle. Mase size eswini bafethu bangidlalele kamnandi abafana. Yabona nje kahle kahle uMakhehleni Makhaolo iOrlando Pirates kumele enze sure ngithi extend contract yalo yamjida lo. Yasebenzela impela eswini uMakhehleni Makhaolo abafethu. Yabona namhlanje ngibonile ukuthi kubalekile lo mjidi uyadingakala. Namhlanje uMbatha, even though uMbatha engadlalanga kamnandi, sibe nje nevara uMbatha namhlanje akadlalanga kamnandi uMbatha. Mbatha didn't play well, but ke it was a good goal from uMbatha. Enza sure ukuthi Orlando Pirates iyadlula iya kuma knockout stages. Like belilihle, but iperformance yakhe namhlanje angiyibonanga because ubelahla amabhola amaningi. Sibe nje nevara bafethu uMbatha namhlanje ubelahla amabhola amaningi, but yena udlale kamnandi. Igoli lakhe nje abelimnandi. Yabo, let's hope umfana uzokwazi ukulungisa ama mistake because the last time actually we played against the CR Belouizdad ubeyenza ama mistakes. Namhlanje uwenzile ama mistakes, but igoli lakhe yabo liyamsusa kulo ma mistakes. Lenza izinto zibe ngconywana for yena. Yabo, mhlawumbe ucoach uzokhuluma naye athi mfana lungisa amaphutha akho. Yabo, size kuThomas Wangani. Thomas Wangani, I wouldn't say udlale kahle and I wouldn't say udlale kabi. Yabo, it was an average game from Thomas Wangani, nothing much. Umjida udlale ngale ndlela adlala ngakhona. Yabo, nothing special today. Yabo, but ke bengawalahla amabhola as usual because siyamazi Thomas Wangani uyena ojoke ukulahla amabhola koLorlando Pirates, but namhlanje umjida ungidlalele kamnandi. Kuthi kuma winger umfuking namhlanje I didn't see much of ama wingers wami. Two of them I didn't see much of them because I feel like bebewenzele ama homework. Yabo, umfuking benonkota bebenza ama homework kulobo bafana. Bebenza shows bazobavala kule game le. Uma nibheka indlela ekudlalwe ngakhona imatch namhlanje bebebavalile bayithola ngefreedom eningi. Yabo, I'm sure baswile ngaba abafana kwathiwa nje yabo labafana abancane labo 2 nenze shots nyabavala. Nenze shot nyabavala abafana aba 2 because bayahlupha. Abadlalayo kakhulu namhlanje, but ngilithandela igoli lamfukingi ithepini nje mfethu awudinga ukutatazela uyoshaya ithepini. Ushaya nje ibhola kamnandi. Ungidlalelile nayo unkota namhlanje. Yabo, ube nawo lawo ma glimpse nyana okhombisa ukuthi umdlali omnandi. Striker sami uMabasa namhlanje anginikezanga lento ade ngiyifuna, but ukwazile ukuthi mebhekane no goalkeeper wenze njani. Yabo, wazile ukuthi mebhekane no goalkeeper wenze njani. Ibench list namhlanje I wasn't happy with the bench lo Orlando Pirates. Ibench list bafethu were one of the bad benches ku-Betway Premiership. Yabona ibench lethu bafethu liyabheda. Ngeke sisurvive kakhulu kuma-knockout stages mesine bench elibheda nje. Ibench lethu bafethu ayekho umdlalo namanje ngisayisho le ndaba. Akekho umdlalo ozosuka ebenchini awushintsha igame for Orlando Pirates. Ibench lethu namhlanje likhombisa ukuthi liyabheda. Umdlali mhlambe ebengaqhosha ngawo kulela bench kulo mjida lo uDlamini mhlambe noXuki. Ngibona abadlali bengaqhosha ngabo. Ibench lethu la ngempela benilibona nje belihleli lapha kuma-stands. Ondawo, Kimvidi, oLepasa, oVieira. Yabo ibench lethu belihleli kuma-stands. But ke i-management ngathi ngakushintsha lokho. Orlando Pirates iwinile namhlanje 2-1 badlulilile bayele kuma-knockout stages. Yabo ngathi singathola ama-team amnandi. Lama-knockout stages kodwa azodictatewa ile game esoyidlala next week against i-Al Ahly. Sesiqualifyile already but kumele kuzodlalelwa manje ukuthi uba uzoba number 1. Njengoba kuzodlalela ukuthi uba uzoba number 1 mase senze show le game le ya next week Saturday if I'm not mistaken siyayiwina. Khona sizothola ama-team engasho ukuthi mhlawumbe singakwazi ukuthi sidlulele siye kuma semi-final because mase sidlala le knockout stages and siphuma number 1 so kwazi ukudlala nama-team aphuma number 2 kumanye ama-groups. Yabo. So kumele senze show siyayiwina i-match ya next week against i-Al Ahly zobedla away. Yabo kumele senze show. Ngezwe ngani bafethu obani abakudlalele kamnandi namhlanje obani abakwehlisele izinga lokudlala namhlanje. Wangibhalela lapha kuma comments ngiyatholakala kuVane Sports. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ungakhohlwa ungifollowa TikTok, ungakhohlwa ungifollowa ka Facebook na Instagram ngiyatholakala nguVane Sports yabo. Ngiyabonga support bafethu.